Hello! Worried about your laundry as you need to work on those tough stains which refuse to go away? No fret, meet LG's semi-automatic washing machine that keeps your clothes clean and saves you time and energy. LG's powerful central roller Jet Pulsator, accompanied by smaller pulsators, creates a dynamic motion that generates sufficient friction for effective dirt, dust and mite removal, guaranteeing cleaner clothes with every wash, while being gentle on the clothes too. Not only that, Wind-Jet Dry reduces remaining moisture on laundry and the insides of the washing machine by rotating the spin tub at high RPM. The air circulated inside removes water and dries clothes faster and better. With LG, you enjoy complete peace of mind. Your LG washing machine stays protected from rats, thanks to a 3 mm thick plastic cover with the rat repellent chemical. Now you can breathe worry-free. You know what's great? LG's semi-automatic washing machines come with a 5-star rating, so they use less electricity, save energy and help you also save more while spending less. Bring home LG semi-automatic washing machine, bring home comfort.